What if I told you that you could start making money today with a simple method anyone can do? Curious? Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ram and I'm a tech founder and investor. Over past 14 years, I have built solutions for big brands like British Airways, Subway, Amazon and many others. Today I'm here to share some easy way you can start make money right now. Now, when we say easy money, we are talking about methods that are accessible, require minimum startup cost and can fit into your existing lifestyle. But remember, while these strategies are simple to start, they require consistency and smart choice. Think of them like a stepstone for something bigger. First up, let's turn your clutter into cash. We all have got items lying around that no longer use, such as clothes, electronic, furniture. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Postmark and Mercury make it super easy to list and sell these items. I remember when I sold my old guitar that I haven't touched in a year. Not only did I make some extra cash, but also felt great to give it a new home. Quick tips: take clear photo, write honest, compelling description to attract buyer. You could literally start making money today by listing just a few items. Now let's talk about freelancing. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork or Freelancer connect you with the people who need servicing that you might already good at. We are talking about data entry, transcription, graphic design, social media management, or even coding and many other. Don't worry about the competition. Focus on what makes you unique. Maybe you have a knack for a design cool social media post, or you are quick at typing. Build a simple portfolio and start applying. Remember, freelancing can start as a side hustle and grow into full-time gig over time. The sky the limit. Did you know company will pay you for your opinion? Platforms like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie and Inbox Dollar let you earn money by taking survey or watching video or even completing simple tasks. Now let's be real, you won't get rich doing this, but it is easy way to make extra cash during your downtime. Plus you can stack earning by using cashback app like Rakuten or Ibotta when you are shopping online. Flexibility: meet earning with a gig economic job like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Intercart or TaskRabbit. You choose when you work. Maximize your earning by working during peak hour or leveraging multiple platforms. For example, you could deliver food during the lunchtime and offer rideshare service in the evening. Just be mindful of potential downside like vehicle wear and tear or even burnout. Balance is the key. Why not let your asset make money for you? Rent out a spare room on Airbnb, your car on Turbo, or even tools and equipment on platforms like Fatluma. Quick tips: ensure you have a proper insurance, set a clear rule and price competitively. It is a fantastic way to earn passive income with the thing that you already own. Companies value your feedback. Sign up for platforms like UserTesting, Respondent and focusgroup.com to participate in a paid studies. These gigs can pay quite well, but they might not be consistent. Maximum your chance by filling out your profile completely and checking a new opportunity regularly. Ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel or blog or even podcast? It's easier than you think. Share your hobbies, skill and passion. I start sharing personal finance and crypto. Over time is grow into a community. The best part, you can monetize through ads, affiliate marketing and sponsorship. Yes, it takes time to build an audience, but the long-term passive income potential is huge. Let your money work for you by investing in dividend stock or index fund. Platforms like Robinhood or M1 Finance make it beginner friendly. Start with small amount and watch it grow. Dividend provide passive income, and with the compound interest, your earning can multiple. Monetize your skill by tutoring or coaching. Platforms like Wyzant and Preply connect you with a student needing help in various subjects, whether it's teaching English, offering fitness coaching, or even helping with the resume. You're providing value and get paid. Create digital products like ebook, template or printable and sell them on Eastly, Gumroad or even your own website. Tools like Canva make it easier to design meal planner or budgeting template or even workout planner. It is a fantastic way to generate income indefinitely from one-time effect. You don't need a million of followers to monetize social media. Even with 1,000 engaging followers, you can do affiliate marketing or even brand partnership. Promote product you genuinely love and be transparent with your audience. Consistency, build trust and over time increase your earning potential. Why Why stop at one method? Combine several strategies to boost your earning. For example, you could freelance, sell item online, and participate in focus group all at once. This not only increase your income but also provide financial stability. Avoid spreading yourself too thin. It is easy to get excited and try everything at once, but focus on one or two strategies to start. Also, be aware of get rich quick scheme. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stay realistic and avoid burnout by setting manageable goals. Consider yourself available time, skill and interest. Do you prefer working from home or being out and about? Are you looking for quick cash or building something long term? Experiment with one or two methods to see whether they fit best. It's all about finding the right balance for you. To recap, we cover a variety of easy ways to make money, from selling unused items to investing in stock. Remember, easy money is all about making smart choice and starting small. The first step is the hardest, but once you start it gets easier. So why not pick one strategy and give a try? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Comment below with your favorite money making method or any question you may have. I love to hear from you. Remember, consistency is the key. Small effects add up over time. Stay patient, stay focused and watch your income grow. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.